Hi everyone, and welcome to Alaska Maritime National Wildlife Refuge's research vessel, the RV Tekla. My name is Ranger Kendra, and I am super excited to be having you come on board today to explore our vessel and to learn a little bit about the scientific research that is done from this boat. And so just as a quick reminder, a wildlife refuge is a really special place that is managed by the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service. That's primary job is to protect habitat. And just as a reminder, habitat is the home for wildlife. So all those living things that live out in the wild, plants and animals, they all need a place to call home. And within that home, they have their resources, their food, water, shelter, and space. And as long as they can have all parts of their habitat, their chances of survival are really good. And so a wildlife refuge's main job is to make sure that they have their habitat, so that wildlife has a place to call home. Now, Alaska Maritime National Wildlife Refuge works to protect a very special habitat. And so ours, if you looked at a map of Alaska Maritime Refuge, we stretch all the way from southeast Alaska, all the way along the islands and coastlines up to the northwest corner of Alaska. And so we are responsible for the habitats within that area. So all that marine wildlife, those animals that depend on those islands and coastlines and the ocean around those areas as well, are the ones that we are trying to protect habitat for. And if you look at the areas where Alaska Maritime Refuge is, you'll notice there's not a lot of roads to those places. You can't just get in a pickup truck and go out to study that wildlife. And so in order to get to parts of our refuge, we have what you see behind me, the research vessel Tekla. Again, it's a one-of-a-kind boat, and I am super excited to have you come on board to learn a little bit more about it. Now, before you come on board, there are a few things you need to remember to bring with you. One of them is going to be your Tekla Exploration Journal, and then also something to write with. And as you come and explore the boat, follow the directions within your journal to help you complete the activities within it and to also learn about what we do on board this boat. As you are going along, also look for this symbol. Anytime you see that symbol, click on it to meet the different crew members that work on board the vessel and to learn a little bit more about life on board as well. All right, guys, and so from there, welcome on board the RV Tekla. Come and take a look around.